No, you unhandcuffed me because I didn't do anything. You took me to floor 1.
Bro, I tell you to leave, and you did not even show me your document too, bro.
Behave you took me in the
Mamad,
fucking jail
Mamad.
cell.
Mamad, من 50 دلار چه خوردم Mamad.
Oh, look at this. Fucking best of Bunbury's full lot of you. Thank you. Goodbye, Jonathan. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Ah! Jonathan.
Wait, he's still in his outfit. What's going on?
I didn't even do anything. You took me to floor 1.
You got that on body cam? Alright, you might want to go get him because he's gonna spawn back here.
You handcuffed me and took me in the jail cell, mate.
Alright, let me get Chief.
I didn't even do anything. That bird were giving it verbal in the car. That's why I gave it verbal back. Told her, shut up. Oh, my name, I don't care, mate. You've took me in the jail cell, but I can't even be up there.
Please no.
He is
Hey.
begging me to take him to jail because he don't got no jail.
45 minutes. No. No. No.
And he
Please
thinks
no
that because
jail.
if you do all of that, you're going to jail, man. I
Hey
don't
bro,
care.
no will swing with it. No. No. No, no, no. No, please no.
Yeah.
Please no.
I just texted Chief to come online. So I'll see if he's able to come online. Well, how else is he gonna handle this? Because if he handcuffed you, which is
I don't care if you handcuff me, mate. He handcuffed me first. What the lawyers, man? Fuck you. Well, don't handcuff me next time, mate.
Which is 1 mil. Give you more 1 mil. Hey, give you those challenger, please. Give you those challenger 1 million. Is okay?
Fuck you. Hey. Got you, buddy.
What the hell is doing, bro? Is your body cam on, bro?